Buy a car, fix the brakes, inspect, calculate the margin, sell the car, repeat. People think this job is just spreadsheets and drinking coffee.
But they don't know the buyers. They don't know Penelope. She's a quick buyer. She wants the car now. But she has a limit, and I have a price. How much money are you going to leave on the table?